Hello, in this video, we're going to discuss how you can withdraw your funds using Bankwire. Bankwire is a platform which is almost available in every country, especially if you're coming from a third world country or some African countries where you can receive via PayPal. This option will help you a lot. You have realized some people have campaigns on such like GoFundMe, you get, but they're suffering with the option of how they can withdraw. In fact, when they're creating their campaigns, they usually ask to set up a PayPal account. Sorry, to include a PayPal account, but unfortunately, they're in countries which can't receive on PayPal. So the question is, which platforms can you use for fundraising, for donations, and uh, and you can cash out using wire transfer. Okay, there's even GoFundMe. By GoFundMe, you realize most people still can't get anything from here because these are more actually UK or US platforms. If you're coming from Africa, you're stuck, you know. But some people want to still create campaigns like this, just like that when you see it. So the you may be looking for a platform which you can maybe receive funds. People can donate with their PayPal or credit card, but for you, you can cash out using Bankwire. Like the website can send you the money via Bankwire. So today's video, we're gonna look at that platform which you can use to receive the money, using bank wire transfer. You can use the website for maybe NGO work. It's fine. Some people may use it for commission, uh, but I'm looking at it this instance, like you have a campaign, you have an organization, you have a company. Usually, maybe you accept donations and you don't have a PayPal. So, what can you use? Good news, there's a website called Giving. Um, it's called Givingway. Okay, givingway.com. Okay. Amazing, this website is one of the crowdfunding platforms which you can use to receive. People can pay you via card, Stripe, PayPal, but for you, you can withdraw using Bankwire. Like the website can send you the money directly into your bank account without using PayPal or anything. Okay, and on their website, you see like on the bottom, amazingly, they can you can they can receive payments via Stripe. Your donor can pay them using PayPal, can pay using PayPal. For the pay, I can use PayPal, that is fine because most people prefer paying by PayPal. But for you, you can withdraw using Bankwire. These guys can send you the money using Bankwire as we're going to see it. They actually support MTN, one of the biggest networks in Africa. M-Pesa, that is Kenya, and this is one of the biggest guys. This is like Safaricom people. So all these platforms, you can receive those payments, and for you, surprisingly, you can withdraw using Bankwire. Givingway can collect payments from PayPal, from card, from Stripe, from from all those big guys. And for you, you don't have to struggle to get a PayPal account. You can cash out using a bank account. So you to know how it works, you can give it time, then you set up your campaign on this website. After setting up your campaign, you go to a section called dashboard. Dashboard, you see your donation link, donation page. If you have set up a donation page, you can create a new campaign. Here you can customize your organization page. And here, this is where the surprising part of edit payout method. So when you go on the payout method, uh, you realize like there is Bankwire. When you click on Bankwire, you can put your account number, Okay, like you're from Nigeria, you're from Kenya, you're from Uganda, you're from, I don't know, Morocco, whatever the country you're in, Ghana. You put your normal bank account number here. Then here you put your name on the account. Maybe you're called James Chikwe, whatever it is. Here you put your address. Here you select a country. Maybe I'm from whatever, all countries are there, maybe Angola or whatever. Okay. Then here you put a state. Then here you put the bank name, like I'm using maybe whatever, ABSA or maybe Equity or whatever you use in your bank account or GM Bank. Then a shift code of that bank, a bank address. This is more like the bank branch bank, okay? Then a country. Most cases, this will be the same as the country you are in, okay? So you can select maybe if you're from Kenya, it's from Kenya. If you're in Nigeria, even your bank has to be in Nigeria, not to confuse the staff, you know. Then the state. So this state usually may be the same as this, but this can change a bit. That is fine. The bank address, but it's important to have the same country as your country app. Okay. So this is Nigeria. Even this has to be Nigeria. Okay. If you're from maybe Egypt, then also this one has to be in Egypt. If this is from Algeria, even this has to be in Nigeria. Then bank name, shift code, you can create it from your bank, or you can just search it online. They're usually public shift numbers. Then you save. When you save, it means when you reach a threshold where they're supposed to pay you, these guys will be sending you the money. But please note, they usually tell you like 10 average wire transfer. So they usually charge you some money for doing a wire transfer. So, and they say this is suitable for organizations that don't have an account. So this is really a big relief for people who are coming from third world countries, or you're coming from a country where PayPal is not supported, but you want to do crowdfunding, you can use it. I've seen someone using it for normal commissions, like when it does a job, it usually has a link for donate. So you can even use it for normal commissions, even for individual purposes. Because if someone is happy with your work, he won't really mind, donating to you. And a good thing, you can use it for personal purposes. For those who are okay with PayPal, I think you just have to click on PayPal. PayPal, the only option that you do is your email account. And this PayPal can be, they don't actually, these guys are okay, even if your PayPal account is from Africa, it's fine. There are some platforms which don't allow if your account is from Africa, they don't allow you. So these guys are okay. As long as the account can receive, it's fine. So thank you guys for watching this video. Kind of subscribe so that in the next video, I'm going to be discussing how you can promote your campaign online, because setting up a campaign is one thing, but how about making it known? How about people knowing your campaign link? Because some people have set up campaigns, but they haven't got any donor because they don't know how to promote that campaign link. So in the next video, I'm going to be discussing to you how to promote your campaign link, and I'm going to show you someone who has actually got. In the next video, I'm going to show you someone actually who got over like 10,000 pounds in 2 months of when he used actually the method that I showed him. Okay, so thank you, and thank you for subscription. Bye bye.